Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can get notified whenever I post any video like this. Now guys, I've been posting activewear pieces on my channel. I posted the sports bra and then the biker shorts. Now this is how to make a scrunch butt biker shorts. I'm just going to be showing you guys how to make the scrunch butt aspect. So if you want to see the pattern and the full sewing tutorial of how to make a biker shorts, I posted it in my previous video. I'm going to link it up here and in the description box so that you can go check it out easily. So guys, let's just get into this amazing video. So guys, in the previous video I showed you guys how to make a full tutorial on how to make a biker shorts like I said earlier. Now guys, once you get to the part where you want to make your band, this is what you're going to do. You're going to take an elastic piece and then you're going to place it on it just like this. So can you guys see, it's going to scrunch it in the best way possible. Now you're going to place pins at the top, then in between. So just like I've done right here, you're going to place your pins in between just like this so that you can know where exactly you're going to sew, and it's going to make it easier basically. So now you're going to take your needle and thread and you're going to start sewing from the top. So just like I'm doing right here, start sewing from the top and be stretching your elastic as you're sewing. So make sure you're stretching your elastic as you're sewing downwards, and then you're going to pick just a tiny from the front so that you won't see your thread in the front. So you're not going to be seeing your thread that much in the front. You're going to see it just a tiny bit. So you're going to just continue sewing it just like that. So stretch your elastic, then sew using your needle and thread to the front, then to the back. So just like I'm doing right here, you're going to go in a zigzag manner. So once you go to the left, the next seam is going to be on the right hand side. So can you guys see what it's looking like? I have gone to the left, to the right, so it's looking like a zigzag stitch. Now I know you guys would ask, why didn't I just use my zigzag stitch on my machine? I don't know why it didn't really work. It didn't give me that scrunch that I needed and it kept breaking, so I decided to use this hand sewing method that worked perfectly. Now guys, you're going to continue sewing to however deep you want your scrunch butt to be. So you can do it to almost where the crotch is or anywhere basically. So you can continue anyhow you want it to be. Way back a year ago. So guys, can you guys see it's already scrunching? So if I want to go even longer, I can just go even longer to the crotch side. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my band. Once that is sewn all around, you're going to have your final piece ready. So guys, this is the other one I said I made, the main biker shorts, and this is what my scrunch butt biker shorts finally looks like. God, I love it. Can you guys see the difference between the front? The front is smooth, like downwards, there's no bumps, there's no scrunch or anything, and the back, look at it, it looks amazing. Now guys, I hope you guys try it out. If it works for you as well, please comment in the comment section, let me know how it feels, how it worked, and yes, this is what mine actually looks like in the end. I'm also going to be dropping more activewear content so that you guys can go check it out and check out my other videos. I have amazing content on my channel, guys. Please go check it out. That's why you guys should subscribe as well so that you can get notified whenever I post any amazing video just like this one. Also, don't forget to like this video, share within and outside your circle. I'm sure a lot of people would want to learn this amazing way of making a scrunch butt biker shorts. Comment in the comment section if you have any questions. I'll be ready to give you an in-depth answer to whatever question you need. Until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.